These days, lot of discussions are going on in GST on food items by the different political parties and also in the media. In this video, I'll put forth 6 changes and clarifications in GST on account of 47th GST Council meeting, including the changes in GST on food items. Hi, my name is Jithendar and I am on a mission to help small and medium enterprises with hassle-free statutory compliances. So let's start. Change 1. Bringing food items, grains under the GST ambit. Hitherto, GST was exempted on specific food items, grains, etc. when not branded or right on brand has been foregone. Many business owners have foregone the right in order to claim the benefit of this exemption, and the department felt that it was losing revenue on this. The department has now revised the scope of exemption to exclude from it pre-packaged and pre-labeled retail pack in terms of Legal Metrology Act. Hence, from specified date, that is from 18th July 2022, most of the food items sold in the supermarkets and kirana stores which are pre-packed and labeled will come under the GST ambit. Pulses, cereals like rice, wheat, flour, etc. will now attract GST at the rate of 5% when pre-packed and labeled, irrespective of fact whether it is branded or not. Change 2. Clarification on GST applicability on sale of developed plots. Land may be sold either as it is or after some development activities such as leveling, laying down of drains, water lines, electricity lines, etc. As per Schedule 3 of the Central Goods and Service Tax Act 2017, sale of land is neither supply of goods nor a supply of service. Therefore, sale of land does not attract GST. However, there was contrary judgments by various high courts stating that the sale of developed plots were chargeable to GST, and some of the courts said it was exempt. Developed plots are those plots which are sold after laying down of drainage lines, water lines, electricity lines, etc. Hence, to put the controversy to an end, the government through GST Council has brought in a clarification that a sale of developed plots is akin to sale of land and will not attract GST. This is a welcome clarification and will help in bringing clarity of GST on the real estate sector. Change 3. Rationalization of GST exemptions. Hotel accommodation provided by a hotel for ₹1,000 or less was until now exempt from GST. But from 18th July 2022, the said exemption has been removed and the same will be taxed at the rate of 5%. Until now, all the healthcare services provided by the hospital was exempt. But now, room rent charged by hospital exceeding ₹5,000 will attract a GST at the rate of 5%. The charging of GST on healthcare sector may be counterproductive as the cost of health services may go up. Further, rental of residential property to a business entity will also now attract a GST. Change 4. ITC wrongly availed and utilized. There was a confusion as to whether the interest to be charged on wrongly availed ITC from the date of availment or from the date of its utilization. The same was cleared by the department through a circular stating that the interest would be levied on the ITC only from the date on which it is utilized till the date of payment or reversal. This brings lot of clarity to the taxpayers when sometimes an ineligible ITC is availed by oversight. Change 5. Perquisite provided by the employer to the employee. The department has brought in clarification on providing that the perquisites provided by the employer to the employee by a contract arrangement would be exempt from tax. Until now, there was a lot of confusion as to whether GST needs to be charged on the perquisites such as rent-free accommodation, provision of facility, and many such facilities. This clarification circular clears the confusion and is a welcome move by the government. Change 6. Completion of assessment for financial year 2017-18. The due date for completion of the assessment under Section 73 of the CGST Act was expiring on 7th February 2023. The government felt that this time is insufficient and hence has extended the time till 30th September 2023. So these are the major changes owing to the 47th GST Council meet. If you find this content useful, do share it with your friends. For more informative content, do like and subscribe to my channel. If you need any information on specific topics, do let me know in comment section. This is CA Jithendar Patel signing out. See you in my next video.